Normally, it's easy to label your boxes and ship it by matching your FBA box labels to your Packing ID labels from BoxIt. But what if you forgot to print your Packing ID labels, or you deleted a box at some point and the box numbers no longer line up? It might be a bit more complicated to put your box labels on the right box. Luckily, there's almost always a solution. Let's see what we can do. In some cases, you don't have to worry about matching boxes to label at all. This is true in either of the following situations. Either all of your boxes have the same contents, weights, and dimensions, or you have box contents off. Your boxes belong to the same pack group, and they all have the same weights and dimensions. If either of those is the case, you can put any box label on any box. Just make sure each shipping label goes on the box with the matching box label. Both labels must have the same number in the upper right, such as 1 of 1, and the same destination address. What if your boxes are different though? Well, if they all have different weights, you can use the weights on your labels to match them to their boxes. You should see the box weight on one or both of the box's labels. However, if you have box labels with the same weights and different contents and have box contents turned on, you'll need to take an extra step. Click Print Packing Lists, then hit Print All Packing Lists to print them all at once. Or use the checkboxes and the Print Packing List button to choose what to print. The packing list will show you all the details of which label belongs to which box containing which items. You'll see Assigned to Box followed by the shipping ID, such as P2, B1. These will match the shipping IDs in the center of each box label. You can use these to match each box label to the box with the correct contents, and then match each shipping label to a box label as shown earlier. In very rare cases, none of the techniques shown will work. For example, if you have box contents off, it may be impossible to match the right label to the right box. This can be a serious problem if boxes from different pack groups have gotten mixed up. When all else fails, the last resort is to return to find it. Assuming you do this within 24 hours for an SPD batch or 1 hour for LTL, all shipments and related charges from Amazon and partner carriers will be canceled. Click Find It in the upper left. A warning that this will cancel your shipments will appear. When ready, click Continue. You'll arrive back at the end of the Find It step with all of your items' details saved. Be sure to destroy any labels you printed for the canceled shipment. Remember to print and apply Packing ID labels during BoxIt to avoid running into the same issue again. Once you've completed your batch, the hardest part is done. It's only a matter of time before the sales start rolling in.